Okay, let's talk about these goofy elevators here. These are smart elevators, and where you pick the floor when you're on the outside of the elevators to decide where you want to go. Once somebody does that, they'll tell you which elevator to get into. In this case, the people behind me just chose to go up to the or down to the Riviera. Told them to go to W, and you go get in elevator W, and it takes you there. And so they're supposed to be smarter and create less time for you to wait. I don't know that I've totally found that to be true, but it's an interesting system, and unfortunately, it's a learning curve. So it takes people a while to get used to it. So you walk up to one of these panels, and you choose which floor you want to go to, and you have to hit it for each person in your party, so it knows there's 3 or 4 of you. So, what I suggest, just go use the stairs.